What's up everyone? So we have a real nice treat for you today. We're gonna check out a real gem of a spot here. So you might see me walking around here by the bamboo patch and thing, but you don't know where I am yet. So let's find out where we are. Hold 1 second, eh? Good evening, Jono.
Good evening.
And where are we today?
Yarra River.
This is Yarra River?
I believe so.
You sure about that?
I think so.
Don't lie to the people, eh?
I'm not lying.
Alright. But where are we heading from here? Because we're not actually where we want to be right now, are we?
No, we head into Yarra Beach.
Heading to Yarra Beach. Do you like this beach?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do. Yeah.
So we're actually coming up here to do Yarra. We decided against it because the weather turned into garbage. But then it's looking really good again. So we're going to take the risk and check out this beach. Hopefully the skies stay beautiful and blue just like that. Now if Jono and I were to follow this river that we just showed you there, we would eventually come out on a river and onto Yarra Beach. But we ain't trying to get wet right now. So from this little spot, which is about 3 minutes before the actual turn off the Yarra, we'll show you the quick drive how to get there. By the way, we're in Blanchisseuse. That's where Yarra is. And we'll show you where you can park, how to get down onto the beach itself, you know the drill. We'll show you everything. And Yarra is actually a really beautiful little spot, and it's been long overdue that we need to do this. Correct. So yeah, come along with us guys. Let's go and check out Yarra Beach. Let's say goodbye.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we're now reaching the turn off for Yarra Beach. There used to be a sign here, but I'm not seeing it again. But let me show you what you guys will be looking for. So it's this little intersection. At the intersection, they do not have the sign anymore, as I said. So look out for this sign. Says do not destroy the beauty of the beach. No littering, no loud music. Keep a clean scene. Bring a garbage bag. Take home what you bring. And you're taking this left. So on weekends especially, it's very crowded. Not much parking around here, so you'll see a lot of cars parked up along the sides and a lot of cars parked up along this side of this road that I'm gonna show you right now.
Hi guys, so Jono was showing you around where you could park, different areas. Now this is where I have parked. You can only really come down here with a 4x4, and truth be told, it's not much further from the road, so it's barely any help to parking on the road itself. You see the truck right there? That's the road right there. But if you can come in a little bit, I guess it's just a little bit of access. And you'll notice now when we're going down, you just need to be careful when you're walking down. You can't drive past this part at all because you might very well get stuck. But we're gonna head right down here, and that's the start of the beach there. Once on the beach, there's a few spots we want to show you. Essentially, there's the beach area. When you walk a little further down, there's a beautiful river area as well too. So we're gonna explore everything, fly the drone, check it out, so you have a full understanding of what to expect when you come to this beach. Lead the way, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hi guys, so this is the main walk down entrance onto the beach itself. So we've just come from right up there, and you walk down and right onto the beach where Jono is right there. So really quick walk, fairly simple. Just be careful. As I said, it's a little steep, a little bumpy. There's some glass on the ground. But this beach, wow, I nearly fell. This beach is actually really beautiful. Not great for surfing. Lots of swimming, plenty beach space, and of course there's the river for the freshwater side of things. But we're gonna explore all that right now. So I just need to mention, like right now, we've just walked down onto the beach. It started as a cloudy day, but today is outrageously beautiful now. We're so lucky here on Trini Surfer. We always get the best weather. Hopefully it holds up.
Nice.
I'm gonna get that drone in the air soon, but let's go and explore the beach, check it out. Some other things to note here as well too. You'll notice some really nice houses and stuff. There is some private property, not on the beach, but outside of the beach itself. So be mindful, of course, don't go into people's private homes and stuff. But the beach itself is free fall and it's really lovely. So we're gonna walk around and check it out and show you all the spots right now.
Alright guys, so as Alan was saying, we have some beautiful weather today. Started off as a real cloudy day. I didn't even want to come because I thought the weather was so bad, but it ended up being a beautiful day. And as usual, we have some furry friends with us. Hi buddy. Hey. Yeah, that's his spot. That's his spot.
Hi guys, so we're about halfway up the beach now, and this is an important part to take in. You'll see behind me where my partner, oh he gone, look, my partner here, Mr. Dog. Hi, good day. You alright? Looking good, looking good. So you'll see a staircase here. Now that staircase on high tide is what you would use to get to the other side of the beach, where there's a river as well that you could bathe in. However, as Jono is showing us right now, the tide is very, very low, so you can actually walk around the point to the river today. But you can only do that at low tide. Be very, very careful when the tide is high. You can very easily get washed into the sea and stuff, so be cautious if you're taking the route around the actual point itself. Otherwise, follow the staircase up and over and around into this beach here.
Alright guys, so I just came back around to show you all the path to take when the tide is high. It's a nice walk over some pretty nice stairs. It's pretty stable. Alan is down on that side. Probably can't see him as yet, but I'll show you all the path. Going on to a wooden path now. Can't believe how beautiful this day turned out. It was so rainy at the beginning of the day. Alright, last section. We have some steps. Just take your time and you'll be fine. And we've arrived.
So guys, so far this beach has actually been quite tidy. I'm not
Pretty
seeing
clean.
too much trash, but you know there's different days that it gets worse. But again, every beach has the reminder. So Jono with his constant message is
keep a clean scene.
keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
So we're at the other end of the beach now, and maybe we spoke a little too soon about the rubbish, because check it out. That being said, it does look like somebody here is actually making an effort to keep it clean and collecting stuff to then dispose of it. And I'm seeing this here now, which I never knew existed. There's nobody here to talk to at the moment, but it does appear that somebody here is possibly doing rentals, which is real cool, because I know a lot of people like to kayak up the river. So if anybody in the comments knows who's renting this stuff in Yarra, or perhaps I'll find out and put it in the description below the video. But that's real cool. Know now that you could probably rent kayaks at Yarra River. That's pretty cool, Red.
Now heading to Yarra River. We got here on a beautiful day. The water looks amazing. Check out the river. We're too blessed. Too blessed. Clear waters today, so I had to take a little dip. Not as cold as usual, but it's still amazing. Look how clear the water is. Hey! I'm just a big child. So another bonus section to this amazing beach is right across the exit of the river. You come around the corner and there is indeed more beach, much more beach. Goes all the way down.
Hi guys, so I hope you enjoy this absolutely beautiful tour of Yarra Bay. As Jono mentioned earlier, like we're getting real lucky with these vlogs. A timely reminder that not every single day you go to the beach or the river, it'll look this beautiful, you know. Weather affects it. Right now on the east coast in Mayaro and Balandra, there are plenty of seaweed and stuff. But sometimes it really is beautiful. The best help for that is to try and time your weather for sunny, beautiful days. Or like us today, take a risk. And you never know how it'll turn out, because I really thought it was gonna be cloudy and rainy today.
Thought it was gonna storm.
It was gonna storm. And better, you remember the kayaks earlier on in the video? Well, here's your information for kayak rentals. You just call Dark Off. Sorry if I'm not saying that correct, but something like that. And then of course, do not destroy the beauty of the beach. No littering or loud music. Keep a clean scene, bring a garbage bag, take home whatever you bring. You know, that's loud and clear, right? We can all do that. Take it home, you brought it from home, take it back home. Anything else?
Get out and explore.
Get out and explore. I will say one other thing. Thank you to this week's sponsor, which is you guys. No official sponsor for the week, so I think I'll big up the fans who constantly watch us every weekend and give us the support. Thank you for sponsoring my videos. Through your viewership since the beginning of time when I started doing this.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. One love. You all keeping each Trini Surfer channel going strong, and we go keep bringing your thing. Yeah? That's
New content coming soon.
New content coming soon. Bless up.
Garbage. So fresh and so clean. So I just finished a little time walk down the beach, but what I really want to know is if this dog has any pace. Come, let's go. You know about it. It's a beach bum.